Hello friends, I Shrivardhan welcome you to our new video which is based on the signs which are related to property inheritance or purchasing of land or own house in your hand. So you can visit our website also, which is missiontathastu.com, and like we start from the basic subject that whenever anybody asks, they ask how many houses do I have in my hand, or how much land, or how many properties are there in my hand. So coming to this topic, it won't be an accurate prediction if we say you are having a 2 houses, 3 houses, 4 houses. So these sign, what does these sign really signify? Basically, these signs are related to your requirements, okay, not as per your desires. With these signs, you will definitely get more than what is required in your life. If you are having these signs, you are a lucky one, and you will definitely get more than your requirement. But we cannot say that you will get more than your desires, because that is impossible. Desires always remain unfulfilled, but requirements do get fulfilled, and you will definitely, that is a 100% thing, that you will definitely get beyond your requirement. So let's get started with this video. Okay, you must be wondering that why I am holding this placard in my hand. It looks like a house, basically. Okay, a sign of house. There's a roof and there's a down area. Okay, so what does this signifies? Okay, this is a, for learning the palmistry, as far as this video is concerned, it is a very good trick to memorize that what we have to see in the palm. So we have to see the two signs basically in the palm. Number one, that is triangle, and number two, that is square. Just to memorize it, I have placed it in a way that it looks like a house. Okay, so these are the two signs which really relates to property inheritance, purchase of land and house in your hand. Okay, and you have to just see these two signs on different part of your palm. Okay, let's get started with it. Now, if on your palm these signs are can be there on your mounts, or these signs could be present on your lines. Okay, if they are on the mount, you are having more advantage. This is more positive thing in comparison to the line. But presence of these sign on the line definitely helps you to calculate the exact time period. Okay, like for example, if you are having this sign on either triangle or a square on Jupiter mount, so I can say, okay, you are a lucky fellow, you will definitely get properties or house or land in your life. But I may or may not be able to predict accurately that what part of life that you will be blessed with all these things. But if they are present on my lifeline, then it is more easy for me as a palmist, or it will be more easy for you also if you are learning the palmistry, to predict accurately the timeline, like say a time frame of 5 to 7 years, that in this time frame, like for example in the midway of the fate line, I have given this calculation in my earlier videos also. So if it is present over there in between the heart line and the brain line, then the basic time frame will be around 40 years. So you will be blessed with this property or land or own house on the age of 40. Okay, so this is the basic difference, that a sign on a mount or a sign on a line. So this you have to remember in your mind. And now let's get started. So if you are having this triangle sign on a Jupiter mount, it is a very good sign that you will have, or you will purchase own house or own property. It is equally applicable to this square. And if this sign comes over to Saturn mount, so it is also good. And there is a sign that you will get this property or land through inheritance, through any of your relative, maybe parents or somewhere, any relative, or inherit this, the property will be your inherited property. Okay, and If it is under the sun mount, this is the ring finger, this is sun mount. So if it is under the sun mount, it is the indication of sudden gain, that there will be a sudden gain in your life, and it will also, you know, help you in fame aspect also. Okay. Now this sign can be on your lifeline also. So you can easily calculate that if sign is here, then approximate age that on which I will be blessed with the inheritance of property or purchase of new land. So you can easily calculate on this. Okay, so these are the two signs basically, and on the mount and on the line. So if they are present in your palm, so you will definitely get more than what is required in your life, and you will be a happy person, having a lot of positive thing on this aspect, like a land or own house or own houses also. Okay, so this is the two things that have, that is triangle and the square. Now one more thing, if line of Mars is present on your palm, it definitely aggravates the positive effect. If you are having this line of Mars and any of these signs, so the effect will be multifold in your life. So it is very necessary that Mars, see, in astrology also, Mars is also related to land, property and all those things. So in palmistry as well, if this also, you know, makes your life very active, as well as, you know, there is a luck factor also if you are having a line of Mars. So it will save you from a lot of diseases and all those things, and you will be active life, you will be living a very active life. Also, you know, this indicates that you will have a property or a land or a own house benefit in your hand. Okay, so in this video we have discussed the sign, that is triangle, that is square, as well as line of Mars, which goes, you know, concurrent to your lifeline. This is the line of Mars on your Venus mount. So you just have to look for these indication in anyone's palm, and definitely, you know, you will get to know the property aspect or the purchase of land or buying or having a own house. So this way it goes. Okay, so I hope you have learned from this video, and we shall be discussing more topics in our coming video. And do subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you.